You think you know geography? Then pause for a second. People say the Great Wall of China is visible from space, and that Africa is a country. Today, we're breaking 10 geography facts that school taught you completely wrong. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. Almost everyone has heard this, that the Great Wall can be seen from space. But the truth? No. NASA astronauts themselves have confirmed that the wall is not visible to the naked eye from space. Why? Because it's too narrow and its color blends in with the surrounding land. City lights at night? Yes, those are visible. The Great Wall? Not at all. Africa is a country. This is one of the biggest misconceptions. Africa is not a country. It's a continent with 54 different countries. Each one has its own language, culture, and history. So next time someone says, "I went to Africa," ask them, which country? Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in every way. Yes, measured from sea level, Mount Everest is the tallest. But if you measure from the center of the earth, the tallest mountain is Mauna Kea in Hawaii. Most of it is underwater. So tallest depends entirely on how you measure it. It's always extremely hot at the equator. People assume the equator means non-stop heat. Not exactly. Many equatorial regions have high mountains, and higher altitude means cooler temperatures. Places like Ecuador, Colombia, and Kenya can be surprisingly cold. Lesson: latitude matters, but altitude matters just as much. Australia is the smallest continent. This is only half true. Australia is a country. The continent is actually called Oceania. It includes Australia, New Zealand, and hundreds of islands in the Pacific. So technically, Australia isn't the continent. It's part of one. All deserts are hot and sandy. Most people think deserts mean sand and extreme heat. But a desert is defined by very low rainfall, not temperature. The largest desert on Earth is actually Antarctica. Yes, the frozen one. So deserts don't need sun and sand. They just need dry conditions. Rivers always flow from north to south. It sounds logical, but it's wrong. Rivers don't care about direction. They flow from higher elevation to lower elevation. The Nile flows north. The Ganges flows east. So if someone says rivers always go south, you now know better. Russia is just ice and snow. Many people imagine Russia as nothing but freezing cold, but Russia is massive. It has deserts, forests, mountains, and even warm regions. The truth is, Russia isn't just cold. It's extremely diverse. The equator is the widest part of the Earth. We imagine Earth as a perfect sphere, but it's actually slightly flattened at the poles and bulged in the middle. That's why the equator isn't a perfect middle line in real life. Maps simplify reality. They don't show everything accurately. Maps show the world exactly as it is. Most world maps use the Mercator projection. It distorts size. That's why Greenland looks huge and Africa looks smaller. In reality, Africa is so large that the United States, China, and India could all fit inside it. The takeaway is simple. A map is not reality. It's just a representation.